Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we discuss everything related to YouTube growth and making money online. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 fresh and best YouTube channel ideas that you can start without showing your face and can help you achieve fast growth and earn money in 2023. So, without any further ado, let's get started. 1 ASMR channel. The first channel idea on our list is an ASMR channel. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response and involves creating sounds that trigger a relaxing sensation in the listener. You can create ASMR videos using everyday objects, such as tapping on a book or brushing your hair, without showing your face. ASMR channels are known for their high engagement rates and can help you earn money through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. 2 Gaming channel. The second channel idea on our list is a gaming channel. If you're into gaming, you can create a channel where you play popular games and provide commentary without showing your face. You can also create gaming tutorials and reviews to help other gamers improve their skills. Gaming channels are very popular on YouTube and can help you earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 3 Recipe channel. The third channel idea on our list is a recipe channel. If you're passionate about cooking, you can create a channel where you share your favorite recipes without showing your face. You can create videos on different cuisines, cooking tips, and recipe hacks. Recipe channels are very popular on YouTube and can help you earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 4 Product review channel. The fourth channel idea on our list is a product review channel. You can create a channel where you review different products, such as tech gadgets, beauty products, and home appliances, without showing your face. You can also create comparison videos and provide your honest opinions on products. Product review channels are very popular on YouTube and can help you earn money through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. 5 Educational channel. The fifth and final channel idea on our list is an educational channel. You can create a channel where you teach different skills, such as coding, graphic design, or even a new language, without showing your face. You can create tutorial videos, share your knowledge and expertise, and help others learn new skills. Educational channels are very popular on YouTube and can help you earn money through sponsorships, ad revenue, and merchandise sales. So, these are the 5 fresh and best YouTube channel ideas that you can start without showing your face and can help you achieve fast growth and earn money in 2023. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the